The University of New Hampshire at Manchester is a small campus that produces big things. Like a job placement rate higher than our peers and graduates who land careers in fields that matter. Research cancer cells, engineer computer hardware, or produce your own film. Your experience as an undergraduate or graduate student is defined by real-world projects that shape your career path. Students choose UNH Manchester for value, an affordable, career-driven college that gets results. Our graduates put their degrees to work in careers they care about, from improving human health, to securing sensitive data, to bettering the lives of our community. As a college of the state's flagship university, here you'll earn the world-class UNH degree in the heart of Manchester. Steps from the activities and opportunities our city has to offer. Whether you commute here or live in our residence hall, you'll be surrounded by companies that offer internships and jobs to our students. Companies looking for the kind of innovative thinkers and problem solvers that shine at our campus. UNH Manchester graduates are going places, and fast.